If you want to add event to calendar on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then in that case we can use the calendar app, of course. And in this case we have two calendar apps. One is made by Xiaomi, this one over here, and one is made by Google. So if you use the Google Calendar, let's actually allow notifications in here. There we go. In order to create an event, you can either tap on a day and then you can immediately start creating the event in here, or you can just simply press this plus button in the bottom right corner and choose events. Then we can fill everything in. You can manage a bunch of different settings like notifications, when the event starts and ends. You can also choose the time zone, whether it repeats or not. You can also choose the event to last the whole day, and so on and so forth. Once you fill everything, you can tap on save in order to add the event to the calendar. But also, if you want to use the Xiaomi calendar instead, then that's completely fine. It works in a pretty similar way. You can just simply tap, I believe. Can we actually do so? Maybe actually not. We need to tap on this plus button in the upper right corner. So you can actually select the date first and then press on this plus button. And if you want to return to the current day, then of course we can tap on this field in here. And once you press this plus button, we are creating an event where we can set up the name and a bunch of different stuff, just like in the case of the Google Calendar. And of course, tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to save the event and add it to the calendar. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.